Hello, we are Group 10. My name is Jason Jolly. I was the lead designer on this project.
Hi, I'm Melinda Williams, and my key role for this was to generate the content and organise the report.
Hi, I'm Robert Jackson, and during this project, my main role was lead programmer. As external students, we would each work on our own tasks at different times through the week. Due to this, our journey through this project was somewhat disorganized, and we found that sometimes we would complete tasks in the wrong order.
Yeah, it was a bit of a mess, but thanks to everybody communicating and taking on their roles, we managed to pull the project together and work well as a team.
Working as a team made it easier to meet the milestones and complete the project, and I found the design development of the portfolio was a very time-consuming and difficult part of our journey. We discovered a lot during this project. I discovered more about CSS and JavaScript than I'd ever learned before, and I really enjoyed getting our portfolio to work with mobile devices.
I learned a lot about the web development process, especially usability testing, and the importance of getting to know the site's users and how that affects the final portfolio design.
I discovered that communication is essential to ensure that each task gets completed correctly the first time, so that it does not need to be done again.
The main thing we would have changed is the amount of time we met up to discuss the project. We could only meet up once a week as we were all external students with full-time jobs.
Yeah, I agree. Ucrew was a big help and made communicating easy, but it was easier to communicate our ideas to each other face to face. In fact, some of our best ideas came from the face to face meetings.
And in addition to meeting more regularly, I personally would have liked to have changed how organised I was. I found on the meetings where I hadn't read the milestone tasks beforehand, things didn't go nearly as smooth.
While completing this project, we each learned new skills. Personally, I learned to identify and appreciate other people's skills and strengths, and developed better communication, management, and programming skills myself.
I developed better design skills and learned how to code various Java and CSS design components, such as the slideshow, which I had seen on numerous portfolio sites but had never created myself.
And I learned that every user will approach your site differently, even people who use the internet every day. Conducting user tests was invaluable to our portfolio, and I was able to develop usability skills that I hadn't realised were so important to web design. Thanks for listening to our presentation. Group 10 really enjoyed this journey creating our portfolio, and we hope you enjoyed yours.